In this tutorial, we'll introduce the Service Forecast feature inside PPM. The Service Forecast helps you look ahead at upcoming service work, understand what jobs are due, and estimate the time required to complete them. This makes it easier to plan your workload, schedule your engineers, and stay on top of your planned maintenance contracts. You can access the Service Forecast from the left-hand menu. In the Service Forecast, you can select the month you want to review. PPM will then show a summary of the service work due in that month, including the total number of service jobs, how many jobs have already been created in ServiceMate, and how many are still awaiting generation. You can also see how many jobs have been completed by engineers in ServiceMate, and how many are overdue based on their due date. PPM also shows the estimated man-hours required for the selected month. This is calculated by adding together the service duration set against each asset due that month. Setting accurate asset service durations when creating your assets will help make this forecast more useful and reliable. As you scroll down the month view, you can also see a checkbox showing whether each service has been completed. The clock icon shows that the job has already been created in ServiceMate. A white circle means the service is still pending and has not yet been sent to ServiceMate. At the top of the page, you can also sync with ServiceMate. This happens automatically every 30 minutes, but you can manually trigger a sync from here if needed. You can also access the Generate Service Jobs page directly from this section. From here, you can view both overdue visits and upcoming visits. This shows you which services still need attention and which upcoming visits are ready to be sent through to ServiceMate. To make the list easier to manage, you can filter the work by time frame. For example, you can choose to show only this month's work. Then select all of the visits you want to generate. You can now generate service jobs in bulk, with up to 50 visits created at a time. Once you've selected the visits you want to generate, choose the ServiceMate queue you want to send them to, then click Generate Selected. This will create the jobs directly in ServiceMate. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. We've covered how to use the Service Forecast in PPM, including viewing monthly service work, understanding job statuses, syncing with ServiceMate, and generating service jobs in bulk. You should now be able to manage upcoming service visits more efficiently, keep track of what has and hasn't been generated, and stay on top of your planned maintenance workload.